This floor is the low-rise set. Might be this one. Or this one. I'm getting all the banks because I normally won't be able to get these any other day. Or might be this one, yep. Just move. Where you guys going?
3.
3?
Thank you.
This one has no working indicator.
Yeah, because I've been driving you around.
I don't care.
Okay.
Oh my gosh. That's horrible.
Pool level, which I'm gonna explore another time. In other words, like tomorrow or something. Where you guys going?
Hi.
Yep. Which one? 8.
Tu vuoi quello 16? Ah, 16. Cazzo, il doppio dei piani.
There's no working indicator on this one. Alright, 8.
8.
Ciao, bello.
There you go.
Bye.
You have a good one. That drive system is really loud. You know what, actually, let's get a different one because we should get one that has an actual indicator. This one. Hopefully it actually has a working indicator. Thankfully I could ride all the sets here because they're not smart carded. As long as you're a guest here, you can ride these. And this one does have a working indicator, so we'll watch it going down. And we're stopping. Things are busy. Down?
Yep.
Where you guys going? Casino?
Yep.
Got it. There you go.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Right here. Here you go. You're welcome. There you go. Alright, that's it.